In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit PDFs in OneNote. Working with PDF files can sometimes feel limiting, especially when you want to add notes, highlight important details, or mark up specific sections. Fortunately, OneNote provides a simple and effective way to bring your PDFs into your notes and interact with them using built-in tools. In this guide, you'll learn how to insert a PDF into OneNote and enhance it with annotations for better understanding and organization. To begin, open your OneNote application on your computer. Once it's ready, navigate to the page where you want your PDF to appear. Choosing a dedicated page for your document can make your notes easier to manage and keep everything neatly organized. Next, direct your attention to the top of the screen where the ribbon menu is located. From there, click on the Insert tab. This section contains options for adding different types of content to your page. Look for the feature that allows you to insert a file as a printout. In some versions of OneNote, this may appear as a PDF printout option. When the file selection window opens, browse through your computer and locate the PDF file you want to work with. Select it, then confirm by clicking the Insert button. After a moment, you'll see the pages of your PDF appear on your OneNote page as a series of images arranged in order. With your PDF now placed on the page, you can begin editing by adding annotations. Go to the Draw tab at the top of the screen. This area provides a variety of tools designed for marking and interacting with content. Start by choosing the Highlighter tool, which allows you to emphasize key text directly on the PDF. You can also use the available pen tools to write notes, underline information, or sketch directly over the document. If you're using a stylus, you can write naturally, making your annotations feel more precise and intuitive. If you need to add more detailed explanations, simply double-click in any empty space near the PDF. This creates a text container where you can type your notes. Once you've added your text, you can drag the container and position it next to the relevant part of the document for easy reference. And just like that, you can effectively edit and enhance your PDFs within OneNote using its flexible tools. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.